Alright, last little bit of calculations for this week. Density conversion. Time 1, time 2, density 1, density 2. Now the density number might not mean anything to you right now. That's no problem. It will next week. What we're going to be looking at here is density. Okay, you might have read already or seen it somewhere back in RT1. Density stands for gray value. If you have a 0.5 density, that's less dark or easier to see through than a 4.0 density. So, simply here, all we want to do is use this calculation to get us good round numbers. If we're in the lab and we shoot a 1.5 density and we need it as a 2.5, we're going to use this calculation right here to get us to that value. So, we saw last week that you got a milliamp minutes. This is an exposure. Okay, that means milliamps and minutes combined. The density is after process. Okay, that just means that the film's been processed, it's been ran through the processor, you've hand developed it, whatever. You started with a 20 milliamp minute exposure, you may have had 20 milliamps for 1 minute or 10 milliamps 2 minutes, so on and so forth. You've got a 2.0 density after processing, but we need a 4.0. So, we're going to take time 1 of 20 milliamp minutes. We're going to go here, time 2, we don't know what it is. Okay, we had a density 1 of 2.0, we want a density 2 of 4.0. So, with your calculator here, 20 milliamp minutes times 4.0 density gives you 80. Divide that by 2. That gives you 40 milliamp minutes, which just using common sense you could have said, alright, if I've got 20 milliamp minutes and I have a 2.0, I want to go to 4, I should double this, life should be good. Since this is a direct relationship, there's no squares, there's no nothing like that. It's just this value here times this divided by that equals that. Okay? Just a simple ratio there. Going to be used for about all of RT simply for the reason that once you're taking these radiographs, all you're looking at is what was the density when it came out and what do I need it to be. So, shouldn't be a problem there. Probably one of the simpler calculations you're going to be doing.